Hey there, good morning. It's Fred here from PlayStation. Today, this morning, what I'm going to do is I'm going to have you guys come along with me as we unbox our most recent shipment. So we order pottery. We have to order usually larger quantities to get a deal on shipping because shipping is expensive with this stuff. So this is from one of our distributors called Chesapeake Ceramics. We have some really cool stuff in here, so let's take a look at what we have. So this year we are making a lot of our own ornaments, trying it out, and these are some new designs that we're going to be making for our ornaments. So I'm excited to test these out. Next week we'll do a video on that and you guys can watch us make some ornaments. Now when I'm unloading a shipment, what I like to do is I like to take all the boxes and just we put them on these back tables here, organize them by whether they're boxes, figurines, banks, food safe stuff, and then from there we'll see what needs to go out on the shelves, what needs to go in the back stock. This big cabinet you see here, that's our back stock cabinet. We have a bunch of other stuff in there as well too. So we'll just go ahead and just get these boxes out and try and keep the styrofoam peanuts inside. Ooh, that's never a good sign. Your box looks like that. Hopefully that survives. Not good sounds. Alright, so now that I have Sophie's help, what I'm going to have her help me do is print out all the labels for all these pieces. And we like to print the labels out, and even if they're not going out on the shelves, so when we take them out of back stock, the labels are already printed, just got to stick them on, and we're good to go. So we'll do that as I start opening the boxes to make sure everything survives. Hey, come here. Yeah, that's better, right there. Good, okay. So we're getting some really cool boxes in because we're a little low on boxes. First box right here is a nice little square box. Great for jewelry or keys or whatever else. And it's got a nice flat surface that you can do some cool detailing on. You can do some cool Zentangles, graffito, or you can even use one of our vinyl stickers that we have to decorate it. We also have the always popular cupcake box, which is awesome. Already has all the sprinkles and stuff on it for you to decorate, but you can always add your own. And this here is our little brick box. No copyright infringement. It's just a simple brick, a toy. Doesn't look like anything else. We get the peace sign box just about a month after the 50th anniversary of Woodstock. You can come in and paint your own for the anniversary. We've got, how many of these? We've got 6 of them. That's it, just 6. So if you really want to get your own Woodstock peace sign box, come on in and paint it. So we open the boxes here, and you can see the pieces are upright. I usually like to take them out, give them a once-over check to make sure that they're okay. And then we put them back in upside down. That way we can just stick our price tag stickers right in the bottom, put them on the shelf. Real easy, real easy. So that's what I'm working on now, is I'm checking all the pieces, flipping them over, getting them ready to go out on the shelves. Okay, so we went through and checked everything, all of our boxes. We actually only had like 1 or 2 chipped pieces. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna go ahead and tag all the pieces and also make room for where they're gonna go on the shelf and what we need to do on the shelf. So let's do that. Everything's all set. We got everything out on the shelves. It's looking really good. And now we are doing the fun process of breaking up all of the boxes. So what we do here is we just smash the boxes to condense them so they don't take up as much space. And at the camera, you can get shots of me smashing. All right, you can see me? All right, ready? Here, you do one. You do one. Here. You get it. Get it. What do you do? Alright, never mind.